Hello there everyone, let's get started with this week's session, and we're at Birmingham Moor Street to kick off, and we'll start with 172004 and 172005. Starting us off, working to Victor 64 with the 1356 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford-upon-Avon to Worcester Shrub Hill.
Good afternoon, this is a passenger announcement. Could Mr. M.
Terminating in down there is 165038 on time with 1 Romeo 29 from London Marylebone. Next in for West Midlands Railway we see 172103 and 172331 arriving in working to Sierra 65 on time with the 1408 West Midlands Railway service from Kidderminster to Whitlock's End. As he heads out, coming the other way for West Midlands Railway is 172343 and 172102. Working 2 kilos 66 in the 1411 West Midlands Railway service from Whitlock's End to Kidderminster. Coming through the tunnel the other way with our final Chiltern Railways action of the session, we'll see 168217 coming through on time, working 1 Hotel 51 with the 1414 Chiltern Railways service from Birmingham Snow Hill up to London Marylebone. And we'll finish up with the special as we see 47773 the Queen Mother and 60103 Flying Scotsman with 1 Zulu 14 the 1430 Vintage Trains Flying Scotsman ride from Birmingham Moor Street to Dulwich. And as he heads out, that's a good session at Birmingham Moor Street.